Hello students, so today I am going to start chapter 9, that is areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so at first you have to learn about planar region. Okay, so what is planar region? You see here, a planar region is defined as the part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure. Now consider this mobile screen is a plane. Okay, so here if we draw a closed figure, okay, so here we draw this closed figure. So this closed figure is nothing but we call it a planar region. Okay, so this closed figure is a planar region. And now after that, here you see area. Okay, so here you see area. So the measure of the planar region is referred as its area. So suppose the space that this planar region is covering. So this planar region is covering this much area in this plane, covering or not? This planar region is covering this much area in this mobile screen. Okay, so this planar region is covering this much area. You see this much area in this mobile. So this much is space in this plane of the mobile. So this will be the area of this will be the area of this planar region. Okay, now you see. Now see about congruent figures. So congruent figures are those figures whose shapes and sizes are equal in all respects. Okay, suppose we have this one, this is one triangle and this one is another triangle. If these two triangles have, if this triangle and this triangle have same shapes and sizes, okay, then we can call this figure and this figure are congruent. Congruent means shapes and sizes equal in all aspects, that is they are congruent or they have same shapes and sizes. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, now see figures on the same base and between same parallels. Okay, now see here you will find that there are two triangles. There is one is ABC. This is one triangle, and again you see there is another triangle you will find, that is AB and this one AB and D. Okay, so what we have to see here, that these two triangles are like on the same base and between same parallels are yes or not. Okay, so here you see both the triangle have same base, that is AB. Both the triangle have same base, and see this D point and E point are on a line which is parallel to this AB base. That's why we can say that these two triangles or these two figures are on the same base and between same parallels. Okay, that's why we can call it these two figures are on the same base and between same parallels. Okay, so